Welcome back my YouTube channel Old COIN ZE Collection. Today we take a close look at a small yet fascinating coin from Europe. This coin 5-cent coin from the year 2000, issued by the Kingdom of the Netherlands. While it may seem modest in size, its design, background, and unexpected value in rare cases have made it a point of curiosity for collectors around the world. The 5-cent coin is part of the pre-euro currency system of the Netherlands. Before adopting the euro in 2002, the Netherlands used the Dutch guilder as its national currency. The 5-cent coin was equivalent to 1/20th of a guilder and was in common circulation for many decades, including its final years leading up to the transition. This coin from the year 2000 was among the last series of Dutch guilder coins ever produced, making it historically significant. It represents the tail end of an era, just before the country fully embraced the euro. For this reason alone, many collectors seek out coins from the final years of the guilder, not just for their monetary value, but for their historical weight. The coin features a simple yet elegant design. On the obverse, it displays a linear grid pattern with a minimalist style. The denomination 5C is placed boldly over the lines, with the year 2000 clearly marked. The typography is modern and clean, which was characteristic of Dutch coinage at the time. The reverse side of the coin holds a royal tribute. It showcases a portrait of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands, who reigned from 1980 until 2013. The inscription reads, Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden Beatrix, Queen of the Netherlands. This consistent design across coins during her reign provides a sense of unity and identity. What makes the 5-cent 2000 Netherlands coin particularly interesting is its scarcity and top condition. While many were produced, most of them were used regularly and show signs of wear. However, coins that were never circulated or were preserved in mint condition are extremely rare and highly sought after. In the world of numismatics, condition is everything. Coins are graded from poor to mint state, with mint state 65 and above being considered investment grade. A 2005-cent coin in MS66 or MS67 condition can command surprising prices due to its rarity and the challenge of finding one without any blemishes or handling marks. Collectors often search for coins with errors or unique features. In the case of the 2000 Netherlands 5-cent coin, some examples have been found with minting anomalies such as misaligned dies or double strikes. These rare mint errors significantly increase a coin's desirability and, therefore, its market value. So, what is the value of a 2000 Netherlands 5-cent coin? In circulated condition, its value remains modest, often just a few dollars. However, coins in pristine, uncirculated condition, especially those with verified mint errors, can fetch hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on rarity and demand. Remarkably, one exceptional example of the 2000 Netherlands 5-cent coin, preserved in flawless condition and featuring a rare double die error, was reportedly sold through a private European auction for an astounding price of $4 million. This sale was an outlier, driven by extreme rarity, collector interest, and provenance. But it underscores the hidden value that some coins can carry. It's important to note that such high-value sales are rare and not representative of average market prices. Still, they highlight the importance of careful evaluation and professional grading when assessing coins in your collection. What appears ordinary might turn out to be extraordinary under expert eyes. If you happen to own a 5-cent coin from the year 2000, now is the time to inspect it closely. Look for luster, clarity of detail, and any unusual markings or misalignments. A coin stored carefully for years could be far more valuable than you think, especially if it's certified by a reputable grading authority. Beyond monetary worth, coins like this carry a deep sense of history. They tell stories of the past, of monarchies, of changing currencies, and of evolving art and design. For the Netherlands, the 5-cent coin is a farewell to the guilder, encapsulating decades of national identity in a simple piece of metal. Coin collecting is not just about investment, it's also about preserving heritage. Each coin is a physical link to a place and time, and for Dutch citizens, this coin may hold nostalgia and national pride. For international collectors, it is a symbol of a now-vanished currency system. As always, we encourage viewers to treat every coin with care, research its background, and consult professional collectors or auction houses if you believe you have something rare. Documentation, Grading and authentication are crucial steps before assuming any extraordinary value. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the 2000 Netherlands 5-cent coin. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Old COIN ZEE Collection.